Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Discord a fatal JavaScript error occurred. Let's fix it guys. First you just need to go to search menu and type task manager, click on open it. You just need to search Discord. If anything is running in the background, just end task it. After that just close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select and install a program. In here you just need to find Discord, just right click on it and select uninstall. After uninstalling Discord, you just need to close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command. Just copy and paste it and press enter. Just need to wait for this command to done. After getting this command done, you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage app data percentage again. Click on OK. Find the Discord folder, just right click on it and select delete it. And now close stuff here, go to search menu and type run. Click on open the run again and type here percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. Find the Discord folder, just right click on it and select delete it. And now just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, open up Chrome and search Discord download. Select the download for Windows option and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to install it. After the installation done, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.